Well, Kelly, it's another morning where we're dealing with those very foggy conditions, of course, in the valley, which is going to impact the temperatures where the fog hangs around longest today and keep things cooler. But the dry weather pattern is continuing, but we could see that next best chance of rain actually appear on the 7-day, and I'll show you that in just a little bit. But the lowest visibility this morning in Redding at 1/4 of a mile, so very dense fog that we're dealing with there along Redding on the I-5 corridor. Same story for Red Bluff at 3/4 of a mile, but we're going to see this fog continuing to hang around this morning, and as it seeps further south, I think areas like Chico, Oroville, Gridley, Willows going to see some denser fog conditions as well. Now, when we take a look outside, we actually got pretty clear skies. So once the sun pushes through, that should help lift some of this fog, but temperatures not too bad this morning out the door. We've got the lower 40s, pretty comfortable if you're going to be, of course, out starting your morning commute or taking the dog out for a walk. But temperatures not looking to warm up too much, especially in the spots where that fog hangs around. So not the best time to take Nugget out this morning with, of course, the foggy conditions. You'll need the reflective vest on both you and the dog so the morning commuters can see you. So by the time you get home, I think it's going to be a bit more comfortable with those temperatures in the mid to upper 50s. But the fog does hang around. You actually can see it on the Futurecast. I think as we get a little bit later, closer to lunchtime, that's when the fog recedes from Redding and Red Bluff, but still hangs around in Chico, Oroville, and Willows. That keeps temperatures more so in the upper 40s for today in our southern spots, but you can see Redding has the ability to warm up to the low 60s today because that fog clears out and we keep that sunshine around. Could be a few stray showers up towards the northern west coast, towards Mount Shasta, but really not counting on that rain coverage too much for today. But the fog is going to be extending back into our area later tonight, and we'll be dealing with those foggy conditions once again tomorrow morning. But looking at the rain forecast over the next 7 days, finally looking to get measurable rainfall as we get towards really early next week, and the chance for snow could get a little bit of accumulation along Sierra and, of course, northern Cascades. But you'll see when we're expecting that rain now when we look at that full 7-day forecast. We've got the next best chance of rain coming by Monday for us in Chico, but we've got the foggy conditions to definitely deal with today, so keep the low beams on, take things a bit slower. Temperatures stay in the mid to upper 40s today and tomorrow, but low 50s with the fog Thursday and Friday. And for Redding, we've got the upper 50s to low 60s on tap. The next best chance of rain comes by Monday.